Alright, moment you've all been waiting for. The Spec-D headlights. Look at these puppies. Look at that. That's what I'm talking about. So, today I'm going to be going over these. I just got them. I'm going to install them. I've seen some complaints about these. People saying they get fogged up really easily and, oh, they're ruined. Like, I bought them brand new. They weren't sealed well. Well, people are idiots. Nobody reads. So, I'm going to tell you the issue that all of these people are having right now. I don't know if you can see it here, but there is no RVT, period. These don't come sealed, people. They're not sealed. Seal them. So, go to your local hardware store, get you some nice RVT to seal these bad boys up, and then you're good to go. They even come with new O-rings. So when you're installing your headlights, take off the old O-ring, slap on this bright new one, and you're good to go. So I'm gonna seal these up tonight, and then hopefully tomorrow, I mean, it's already kind of late, it should be 24 hours. Tomorrow morning, maybe, I'll install these depending on, you know, how dry it is since they'll be inside. But yeah, let's get these things lubed up. So I just did this headlight, and right now as it sits, I think it's good. I mean, there may be a few spots I need to go over later just to confirm, but so at this point I had already taken off the grill, but basically in order to get the headlights out, you're gonna have to take the grill and the whole front bumper off. Alright, so to remove these, there's a bolt here, a bolt here, and a bolt here. Now to take the bumper off, you just need to take the bolt off that's here and there. Then you gotta get this lovely harness. No. Alright, so now what I'm doing is basically just taking all of the necessary hardware off of the old headlight, and then I'll be transferring it to the new headlight. So as you can see, I just removed the lower control panel, and now I am going up to the headlight and removing the place where it connects to the headlight. Once I've done that, I will then transfer that whole system over to the new headlight. Now, if you notice, I just unplugged that yellow wire. That is very important that you reconnect that on this new headlight. It might not look like it's supposed to be disconnected, but it is, and there's a brand new one on the new headlight, so just simply plug that in and you should be good. Now you're going to need to feed that back through the headlight housing as it was on the old headlight. That way you can plug the lower piece back into the control panel, and then the top piece will plug into your new headlight. Now for putting in the new headlight, just simply unclip either side, put the new headlight in, and clip it back into place. Now we're basically just going to repeat this same exact process, but for the lower headlight, just simply taking out the light and putting it into the new housing on this one. There isn't any extra wiring that comes with it on this one.
Then to wrap up, simply reinstall that control unit to the bottom of your new headlight housing and you're good to go.
Alright. Oh, no freaking way.
Scratch it?
Alright, and we're done.
Sick. Alright, now hit some turn signals. Hazards. Yeah. And turn the lights on.
Alright, that's it for the video. Somehow I forgot to record an outro. But yeah, this is what it looked like the next day. Thanks for watching. Peace.